About 2 or 3 weeks ago, we started having water drip down through the ceiling. Called a few companies, but Abacus is the one we ended up going with. The person who took the dispatch call knew something about plumbing. So, it was nice to talk to someone who, even though they're not the plumber, they can understand your questions and they can, kind of give you some preliminary answers, which was nice. They got out there the same day. They also recommended a company to come in and take care of water damage, who also came out the same day. My first impression when I really got to talk to him was A, he was very knowledgeable, and B, that he gave me a lot of different options and kind of did the pros and cons of each. He ended up having to basically rebuild the toilet upstairs. Definitely at this point very confident that it's been fixed. There's been no additional leakage or anything like that, so I have no reason to believe it's not fixed. I would call Abacus again. They would be my first call if I had a plumbing issue, so if I'm willing to do it, I would certainly recommend them to someone else.